Gotta get going. Gotta do that deal.
What are you looking for, bud?
Turn that dude down. We are pulling out, fixing to head over down to Oakwood to pick up our first load back. We're gonna run over to Fort Worth and do that whole deal again. Been a long week. I've had a lot of fun, a lot of time off, and now it's time to get back after it. We'll be out till, oh looky there. If you've been on my social media, you've seen that. So I'll get more in detail into that here in a little while, later on, and we'll go from there. But I will check back in with you guys when we get down to Oakwood. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Hadn't said it in a while. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all those who've hung around, enjoyed the time away, and I will be back with you guys shortly. Alright, I made it down here to, where am I at? Oakwood, Georgia. I got that same, it's pretty much the same exact load. I think the place that we take this stuff to in Fort Worth is like a distribution center. So, it's usually pretty well the same thing. Supposed to be out there Friday morning, 8 o'clock. Shouldn't be no issue. Shouldn't be. Still getting adapted to everything. I've got a lot of work to do. Just FYI. I will fill you guys in later on. I don't know if it'll be tonight or not. Let you guys see what it actually looks like. Pretty excited. It still needs my work. Needs my touch done to it. So I was going to show you some video stuff while I was hooking a trailer up. These are preloaded trailers, so I drop my empty and pick up my loaded one, and generally I would take off. But you guys know some things never change, and it's only been a week or however long, and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go back here and fix me a sandwich or two, get me some chips, and then we're gonna roll on towards Fort Worth. I don't know how late I'm gonna run tonight. I've got 7 hours left I can drive, so I'll use this for a 30-minute break, and then we'll go from there. I'll figure out how far I'm gonna make it, and I will update you guys when I stop. I don't really plan on stopping. I got plenty of fuel. So I will check back in with you when I stop. Hang in there. I'm really tired. I'm somewhere west of Morton, Mississippi, east of Jackson, Mississippi. And let me tell you, when I say the last mile was the hardest, the last, I don't know how many miles was the hardest. That Hurricane Zeta, I don't remember what they're calling her. She ain't nothing to mess around with. She's mad. I fought wind, I fought rain. This load I've got, they're not very heavy. They're not very heavy at all. But these loads that go, like I said earlier, they're fairly good size. They go to Fort Worth, they're pretty tall. So, yeah. Kind of a little nervous there a few times that gust of wind would come hit you from the side. And not to mention the rain that was pouring down. So, I was going to stop at that rest area in Morton, which is where I stopped at last time. But I pulled in there, and man, it was full. It was beyond full. So we come on up. I come on up to the next exit, and trucker pass said there was 2 truck stops here. They were both showing full, but I was able to. Hopefully it'll be all right. Parked on along the curb here behind another truck, and just try and get off the road. That's the bad part about the E-log sometimes. So I don't know how many miles I run. I know I'm tired. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm tired. I'm hungry, and I got a mess. I gotta clean out. Look here, about lost my drinks. I gotta clean all that mess up. I gotta start getting some organization going on. So, oh, and I gotta edit this video. So I'm gonna probably start that process. And while that's doing that, I'm gonna start picking that stuff up, fighting that bear that I call making the bed, and then I'm gonna throw me something together real quick to eat, and then I'm gonna call it a night. So, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. I won't get into the truck right now. I did get a new truck. If you didn't see the pictures on my social media, you need to be following it. I changed the name of it so it's a little bit easier to follow along and find on Instagram. I will link, or I'll put the new name down here on the bottom, and that way I think I got to change it. Can't remember if I got it. I'll change it in the description below. But yeah, go over there. You can find pictures of the new truck. A picture, I think. I've only got one of the new truck. It's brand used in the terms of the famous Greg A. Another guy that I watch on YouTube that does. He's into the diesel truck stuff. Pretty cool guy. But brand used. It's used, but it's brand new to me. You hear me? It's got 93,000 on it right now. So that's a lot better than the 500 and I'm going to say 20 that the other truck had on it. So, but yeah, it's another Peterbilt like I had it wrong. It's 389, a little bit nicer, a little bit more fixed up, I guess you could say. Not much though. There's a lot more amenities inside, I think. It's got heated seats. Yeah, that's neat. Never had a truck with heated seats. Anyways, check back in tomorrow. I was trying to think. It'll be late when I get over there. I might get unloaded again tomorrow night. That'd be neat. I'm gonna try. Who knows? I'm not supposed to be there Friday morning at 8 o'clock, so I was going to try to show you the truck, but I doubt I'll have time. I might be able to on my 30-minute break. I gotta feed my face though. I'm 463 miles away. Oh no, I might get to show you. We'll see what happens. But check back tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'm glad to be back. I miss home already though. It's a compromise we have to do. But I've missed you guys. That's the only thing I don't like about this truck. I don't know if you can hear that or not. I've heard there's a fix for it, but I don't know. It's the air compressor. You can hear it in the breathers on the intake on the side of the truck. And when it kicks on, you know it. It sounds like I don't know. It sounds like something off the Jetsons or something. But we'll get used to it. We'll get used to it. Once I go back there in that bed, especially if I take that melatonin, I'll never hear it. I mean, I don't hear trains. I won't hear that. So, but guys, I appreciate y'all hanging in there. We're still growing. 500, we're gonna give something away. And I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Keep her between the ditches. Last mile was the hardest. And we'll see you tomorrow.